here at 1505 Birdloop. All the blinds are in good shape and function properly. I'll turn the lights on. This light functions. That's the outside light, I'm pretty sure. So I have to. This light functions, and then they taped the fan thing here. So I almost think we should take this remote and not leave it with the tenant. But it does have one remote here. Let me see what this does. I don't know. If this thing uses the fan, then I'm gonna take the remote. We just have this one little spot where the flooring, it feels like it's almost been filled, but that's the only spot where the flooring has something. There's something was filled here. This could be sanded a little better and repainted some. The trim here for the fridge was removed, and this is quite typical because most of the times the fridges are too large. And I'll go through and I will make record of any doors and knobs and things like that that are loose or don't function properly. It's pretty clean. I think it could use a wipe out. Yeah. These need to be removed, so it's not so heavy, but it's better to leave them there in case somebody does break a slat. There's a little water type stain. Oh no, that is, I don't know what that is. It might be soap. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go get some paper towels. Let's see what that is. This one looks good. One remote. That works properly. These towels are here just to make sure when the water comes on, you know, until it's hooked up to a fridge, that it won't leak. This looks pretty cleaned out. There's a couple little pieces of trim there, and some roofing material, and some of the flooring there. There's something up here. It feels like glass. Piece of glass. Oh, floors are clean. Line looks good. Fan works fine. closet's cleared. It's got this goes on the crawl space opening there. They just didn't put it back on when they recarpeted. That's just to help pull it up though. Whoops. A couple little chips right there. And right there. They left this. All the drawers are here, function properly. Wash machine yes. There are no stoppers. That's probably fine. Just fine. Oh, it's got a couple. So there's a little bit of damage just under here, and then it's got some paint here, which is nice. It'll be nice to have the paint. Let me just put this on here. Looks like they use Glidden, and it looks like, well, I'll just remember that it doesn't say an actual name. Universal Gray, maybe? And that was the living room. And then this just looks like it's a primer. And they left this as well. And there's, that looks like it's just cleaner. It's blue mark. Yeah, that's just some cleaner. There's a couple of just little dings and chips here, and you may want to get them resealed. This is a little yellowed. New caulking there could be good too, but you can probably wait till you move in. I left the little Harley. Neat. A couple more things of paint in here. Power lift tester, I don't know what that is. Door paint, Rust-Oleum. Exterior paint. Interior paint and primer. And that's the color for the bedroom. So, and then the trim in here is out too. They probably took it out when they redid the flooring and didn't put it back in. The lines here look good. It's nice and clean. Fan works just fine. One of the lights is burned out. Just a bulb. Same thing, the trim down there is missing. That looks good. Same light. Fan works. And everything looks good in here. Things look fairly clean, but you may want the cleaner just to still come in, I don't know, just an hour or two of really, Maybe some deep cleaning. There's some mail I'll grab. A little bit of wood or something was left here. A couple little things here. And I can put those out by the trash if you want, easily. A little piece of siding down there. Oh, there's some wood and garbage in here that, I mean, some of it would have to be hauled off, but I can always call them and ask them to come and haul this stuff off if you'd like. I'll take a picture of it. And then on this, if you want a lock on it, I can come and put a thing on it to lock it up because this doesn't have anything on it. And then in here, they have some of that laminate flooring, which is great. They left a weed whacker. This is, I think, let me see without that door closing. I think that's a blind. Light, just a couple little stuff here. Some lighter fluid. A few little painting things. Not much, but once again, most of this, if you want it removed, can just go in a trash can. I can come and just pop it in a trash can. I'll do the front too.